Uh, I want to briefly talk about hymenography or the virginity repair, and especially about an aspect that we have so far not discussed about. Now, quite frequently we hear that relationships between boys and girls break down. One of the common reasons, a story that we hear is that the relationship broke down because the boy left. He deceived me and left. Now, initially, of course, the boy was very loving and he would promise various things. However, as time goes on, the boy started disliking the girl and finally leaves, giving various reasons as to why it cannot be continued. The problem is that by then the girl has lost her virginity. Another common scenario that we hear is that the girl had an affair, however, the parents don't like that boy or the parents don't like that family. Therefore, they don't want to give their daughter in marriage to that boy. In this situation, again, the relationship breaks down. When the relationship breaks down, the girl suffers. She starts suffering because her hymen or the virginity has been lost. Now, what are we going to do about this? This is the issue now. Hymen, of course, can be reconstructed and repaired. Therefore, it is not necessary to be depressed or to feel suicidal or keep on postponing seeing eligible bachelors, keep on refusing all the proposals for marriage without divulging that the virginity has been lost and this is why I don't want to get married or I can't get married. So the simple solution is let's get it repaired. When you get it repaired, of course, there is no such issue. You can face a new marriage and get married to somebody you think is compatible without any fear.